Okay, in this video, I will show you how to twist and tweak your settings for recording. We will get to the streaming part in the next video, but for this one, it's a tutorial just on how to start your recording process to do a proper recording. Okay, so let's hop right in. We go to settings, we go to output. As in the previous videos, I said you change this to advanced. You go to recording type. I usually keep it at standard. You browse, you choose a folder you want. Let's go with the default folder. Go into videos. We can create a new folder. We name it OBS. We select it, select folder. Okay, so now your videos will go to videos in OBS. Matroska video or MKV, it's the best recording format for recording videos, because if you put it on MP4 and you get an interruption on your gear or something, that video is lost. With Matroska video, you can recover that video up until where you got the interruption. However, you can change it to MP4 by remixing your video. I will show you how to do that, but for now let's go. We follow along with the settings. The video encoder, if you have an NVIDIA graphics card, you choose the NVIDIA NVENC H264. Audio encoder, you leave it at AAC. Audio track, I explained in the previous video. Output scale, if you go to your video and you are putting your output scaling, your base canvas, use it as 1080p. I will show you guys later on how to change it to stream or record videos for TikTok or for Instagram. Output scale, don't bother with this, because your base canvas and your output scale will be the same. Downscale filter, you leave it at that. If you put it on by cubic, for instance, if you put this to say 720p, then if you put this to bicubic, it's the best one, bicubic. Né? Leave it at 1080p for now. Common frames per second values, 60 frames per second for that smooth recording. We don't need to apply that because it was like this when we got here. Output, you leave the output scaling, rescale output, you leave it disabled. Custom maxer settings, leave that. That's for more advanced settings, if you will. Rate control, constant bit rate. Leave it at constant bit rate. Your bit rate, it depends on your hardware. If you have like a decent PC, nice power, you can put it at 10,000, even maybe more. Keyframe intervals. Keyframe intervals, we give 2 seconds. That's just to say how OBS is checking every 2 seconds your keyframes and what must be recorded. Your preset, the slower you go, the better quality you have. For instance, if you go fast, it's low quality. The slowest is the best quality. Slower, better quality. Slow, good quality. I recommend go with slow. It's good quality. Your tuning, high quality. Multipass mode, 2 passes quarter resolution. The multipass is, for instance, when your video is being recorded. So OBS is going through all these rendering and capturing of your video, checking the quality, all of that. So if you put this on single pass, what you see is what you get. Anything you record, it will be recorded that one time. Nothing, no twixing, no twisting, no whatever. That is what you will get. If you put it on 2 passes quarter resolution, your resolution will be at quarter your resolution that was recorded. But during the second pass, or when they are going through the second pass, it is being adapted to what it should be, like what you are seeing on screen. That's a nice one, but I would suggest leave it on 2 passes quarter resolution. Your profile should be high. Just leave it at high. Look ahead. It's when your frames that is captured. OBS will look ahead and predict what will happen next, so they can fill in that frames for smoother operation. B-frames, make it 2. Custom encoder options, leave that as is. That's for advanced users. I won't recommend going into that. The audio settings we set the previous time. Just leave it at that. Right, so we set up our recording settings for recording a video. So let's test it. We start recording. Good day. This is a video on whatnot and whatnot. Yeah. We stop that. Now we go into file, show recordings. We have our recording here. We play it. Good day. This is a video on whatnot and whatnot. Yeah. Now you recorded that video in MKV file format. You want it in MP4. You go to File, Remax Recording. You click these 3 buttons here, these 3 dots. You click your video you just recorded. You say Open, Remax. Recording Remaxed. Now if you go to show your recordings, you see there's 2 videos. If you look at the one, MKV video file VLC, MP4 video file, you see. Now if you go to your MP4, good day, this is a video on whatnot and whatnot. Yeah. Nice. That is what we recorded just now. So for any other questions on what else you need just to record, hit me in the comment section and I'll explain it to you in depth. For now, you are set for recording anything, PC screen, anything. We did the Xbox last time. If you have a PS5 or PS4, even PS3, you can just plug it into your video capture card and there you have it, god damn it. So just go and start recording.